In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Gemini highlights for searching the web. Now, this is going to be on the Samsung S25, and it works by default with the Samsung browser as it's included in there. So that's what I will be using for this purpose. And I also have it prepped already, so I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 open as an example. Now, in the bar at the bottom, you will see a bunch of toggles, one of them in the middle being the Gemini button. So we're going to click on that, and we have a couple options like Summarize, and then we have Read Highlights Out Loud, and also Translate. Now, the option that we care probably about is either going to be the Summarize or Read Highlights Out Loud. Both of them are almost the same thing. The only difference is the last one, the Read Highlights Out Loud, obviously reads it back to you using Gemini. So I'm going to utilize that option. I'm going to click it, and it's going to play for you.
Samsung Galaxy S25 full phone specifications. The Samsung Galaxy S25, released earlier this month, boasts a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display and a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It features a triple rear camera system with a 50 megapixels main lens and supports 8K video recording, along with a 12 megapixels front camera. The device offers up to 512 gigabytes of internal storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM, and comes in various colors including icy blue and pink gold.
Now, the other thing that it can do, like I mentioned before, is to do the summary. Now, this was going to be the best case use for this would be with articles. So, like I said, it basically does the same thing as what we, as we did right here with the highlights read out loud. But this kind of feature is best used for articles that have a lot of padding out. So, unfortunately, everything here is, oh, there we go. There's something in English. Oh, that's an ad. Great. Is that an ad? Okay, so here we have some kind of article, and there is a lot of useless crap. So what you can do is just click right here, Summarize, and it will give you a quick summary of what's in here. So if you found this very helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.